Welcome to Review Rumble. The best makeup pump dispenser is probably one of the most convenient and hygienic ways to dispense your liquid makeup products, eliminating the mess and waste associated with traditional bottles and allowing for precise application every time, ensuring you get the most out of your favorite foundations, primers, and serums without any fuss. Number 5. LONGWAY 1.7 ounces Airless Cosmetic Cream Pump Bottle. Introducing our compact 1.7 ounce pump bottle, perfect for your on-the-go beauty needs. Its travel size makes it an ideal companion for any journey. Experience the benefits of our airless pump system. It helps preserve your product by preventing air exposure, ensuring freshness with every use. This bottle is designed for convenience, offering a refillable solution for your favorite cosmetics. Reduce waste and enjoy a sustainable option. Ideal for creams, foundations, and even shampoos, this dispenser is incredibly versatile. Take your essential toiletries with you wherever you go. Get great value with this pack of 6 bottles. Stock up and ensure you always have a dispenser ready for your travel or daily routine. What we like? This option is perfect for those who travel frequently. Its compact size and refillable nature make it incredibly convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for multiple products, this pack of 6 is an excellent choice. What people say. The pump dispenser is a great addition to my makeup routine. It dispenses the perfect amount of product every time. I love how easy it is to use, just one pump and I get the right amount of foundation. It saves me so much time in the morning. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great on my vanity. It's also very sturdy and well-made. Number 4. Boao 4 PCS Replacement Foundation Pump, Black. Tired of messy foundation application? Introducing our replacement pumps, designed for a smooth and controlled dispense every time. Get the perfect amount of product with ease. These pumps are crafted to fit most standard cosmetic liquid foundation bottles. Ensure a secure and leak-free fit, so you can focus on your makeup. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, these pumps are built to last. They offer a reliable solution for your foundation dispensing needs. This set includes 4 replacement pumps, providing excellent value. Keep spares on hand or share them with friends who need a reliable foundation tool. The classic black color complements any makeup collection. These pumps add a touch of elegance while ensuring functionality. Simply attach it to your foundation bottle for instant use. They are also easy to clean, maintaining hygiene for your beauty routine. What we like? If your existing foundation bottle's pump has broken, this is the ideal replacement. It's designed to be a versatile tool that fits a variety of cosmetic liquid foundation bottles. Choose this if you want a simple, functional black replacement to extend the life of your favorite foundation. What people say. The pump dispenser is a great addition to my skincare routine. It dispenses the perfect amount of product every time. I love how easy it is to use, just one pump and I get enough serum for my face. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great on my vanity. Number 3. LUFOX Foundation Pump for Maybelline Fit Me. Tired of messy foundation spills? Introducing the LUFOX Foundation Pump, designed for your Maybelline Fit Me liquid foundation. Achieve a perfect dose every time. Say goodbye to waste and hello to precision. This pump ensures you get just the right amount of product, making your foundation last longer. Enhance your makeup collection with this stylish set. The elegant gold and black design adds a touch of sophistication to your vanity. Specifically crafted to fit your Maybelline Fit Me liquid foundation bottles. Enjoy a seamless and secure fit for worry-free application. Simply attach it to your foundation bottle and press down. It's incredibly easy to use and even easier to clean, saving you time and effort. Upgrade your makeup routine with the LUFOX Foundation Pump. Experience the convenience and elegance for yourself. Order yours now. What we like? This product is specifically designed for Maybelline Fit Me liquid foundation, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal dispensing. The combination of gold and black offers a touch of elegance to your makeup collection. If you own this particular foundation and appreciate a stylish accessory, this is the one for you. What people say. The pump dispenser is designed to dispense the right amount of product, preventing waste. It features a wide opening that makes refilling easy and mess-free. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use, even with frequent dispensing. Number 2. Refillable Airless Pump Cosmetic Jars. Introducing our refillable Airless Pump Jars, perfect for your on-the-go beauty routine. These compact bottles are designed for easy travel, ensuring your favorite products stay secure. Experience effortless dispensing with the Airless Pump mechanism. It provides a clean and precise way to access your creams, gels, and lotions without contamination. Each set comes with a convenient silicone spatula. This tool helps you easily transfer product into the jars, minimizing waste and ensuring a smooth application. Available in practical travel sizes of 0.5 ounces, 1 ounce, and 1.7 ounces. You can choose the perfect capacity for your needs, whether it's for a weekend getaway or daily use. The airless design helps to preserve the integrity of your cosmetic formulas. It protects them from air exposure, extending their shelf life and maintaining their efficacy. These versatile containers are ideal for a wide range of beauty products. Keep your favorite creams, gels, and lotions fresh and accessible wherever you go. What we like. For those who use various cosmetic products like creams, gels, and lotions, this set offers great versatility with multiple sizes. The included silicone spatula helps in getting every last bit out, minimizing waste. If you appreciate an airless design for preserving product integrity and want options for different product viscosities, this is a fantastic selection. What people say. The pump dispenser is designed to dispense the right amount of product, preventing waste. It features a lockable pump head, which is great for travel and prevents accidental dispensing. The dispenser is made of durable material and has a sleek design that looks good on any vanity. Number 1. Bluecell Replacement Foundation Pump. Tired of messy foundation application? Introducing our replacement pump, designed for a seamless fit with your favorite brands. Enjoy effortless dispensing every time. This pump is engineered to be compatible with popular foundations like MAC and Estee Lauder Double Wear. Get the perfect amount of product without any waste. Simply attach it to your existing bottle for an instant upgrade. It's designed for convenience and easy cleaning, making your makeup routine smoother. Say goodbye to spills and wasted product. Our pump ensures a controlled and precise application, keeping your vanity clean and your foundation lasting longer. Elevate your daily makeup routine with this essential accessory. It provides a clean and efficient way to dispense your liquid foundation, ensuring a flawless finish. Crafted for durability, this pump is a reliable addition to your beauty tools. It's built to last, offering consistent performance with every use. What we like. This is the go-to option if you use MAC or Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. It's engineered for a precise fit with these popular brands, ensuring a smooth and consistent pump action. If you're loyal to these specific foundations and need a reliable replacement pump, this is your best bet. What people say. It is a good product and works well. The pump dispenser is easy to use and dispenses the right amount of product. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my bathroom decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.